on this hole, I'm just trying to throw a Pathfinder with a nice fan grip right down the gap. Should be easy. Let's try that again. What's good, everyone? Eric Oakley here. I have the Ethos Pathfinder. This disc has quickly become a staple in my bag. This is the run that got me hooked on the disc, and this is the run that I was able to collaborate with ThoughtSpace. They've been an amazing sponsor this year, so I really want to give back to you all and let you know exactly what I'm using this disc for and how versatile it is. Pathfinder is money, and I'm going to show you exactly why I think it's so good. All right, so we have a stack of Ethos Pathfinders, one of the Snakebirds, and the rest are the Shinobi with the Snow Leopard. I have a couple that are seasoned in, so they're definitely going to have some wonderful flip up, but I have some brand new where you're going to be able to see the integrity of the disc. This Pathfinder loves a slight hyzer release. That's what I've noticed with this mold, is that slight hyzer release allows for it to kind of naturally stand up and or hold a soft hyzer the whole time. The moment I hit it flat or over the top, I get some really good drift. So when I want straight, easy pop right on that hyzer. When I want some nice drift out of it, I'm hitting it nice and clean and flat. It's also a great disc for turnovers because it has some stability, so you can get that nice and easy pan out. It's gonna be really fun to test them, throw some in the field, and then we're gonna hit the course, and it's gonna be the best. Another big factor that makes me like the Pathfinder so much is that it's versatile both on a power grip and on a fan grip. I don't really get much of a difference in flight when I go to a fan grip from a power grip, so it allows me to kind of judge the distance and switch my grip, but trust the flight. And that's an amazing part about the Pathfinder. It has diversity both in its flight, but also whenever you're trying to go different distances. So you're not having to like change exactly how you throw it. All you need to do is change your grip and get a really, really controlled flight. So on this hole, I'm just trying to throw a Pathfinder with a nice fan grip right down the gap. Should be easy. Let's try that again. So I'm gonna take this Pathfinder, throw it on a fan grip, really easy, nice and down the gap. Well, Sacks, baby. Buy one today. Go in. That's good. Fish. As you can see, the Pathfinder is money, works great on many angles. It's just the best mid out there. Go check them out. They're good.